New from Paramount Automotive is the Tacoma Adventure Roof Rack, and it is the perfect fit for your off-road rig. The Adventure Roof Rack is a solid way to secure your cargo to the top of your Tacoma. The rack is strong enough to hold a 350-pound static weight, and it should be strong. It's made from precision cut and brake form steel. The design forms to the roof of the truck, giving you a sleek look while having practical uses. And it's aerodynamic. Its design has a built-in wind deflector to reduce both wind noise and save on gas, which right now is a big deal. Securing your cargo to the top of your truck can sometimes be a pain, but with this roof rack, there are some features that will make it easier than ever. It has multiple crossbars and tie-down points. There are grab handles on the side rails, giving a great grab point when climbing up to reach the rack. There are installation points on the front and rear of the rack for LED pods to keep the campsite or trail lit up after dark. To help with protection, it has a multi-stage, fine texture black powder coat finish, giving this rack a great look as well. There's no drilling or modification to install this rack. It attaches to the factory mounts on the roof of the cab. Still, locating a shop to make sure it gets correctly installed is a good idea. If you're interested in the Tacoma Adventure Roof Rack from Paramount Automotive or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to come back next week for more new product videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time on In the Garage.